Once you're happy with your figure, then it's time to bake it. Polymer clay bakes at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 minutes for each 1/4 inch thickness. I'm gonna set mine to 39 minutes just to allow for heat up time. I didn't preheat my oven beforehand. And now we wait. Once it's done baking, then you can open up the door and take a look at it, but do not take it out. Let it cool completely, or else you might get breakages or damage. Alright, now we take it off the stand. Sometimes they're a little tough. You have to wiggle it and pop it off. There we go. And I'm going to check all of the parts that I embedded into the clay, give them a little wiggle, make sure that there aren't any cracks or problems. So here I'm checking the claws, wiggling each one to make sure it doesn't come out. If it does come out, just a little bit of glue will fix that problem. If you do have any cracks, that's an easy fix. Just a little bit of stuff called epoxy sculpt can fill the crack, and then when it dries, it solidifies. So now one of the last steps you need to do for painting is sand your figure. So despite all of the smoothing efforts that I made, there's still going to be areas that aren't equal or uniform. There's going to be areas that are a little higher, a little lower. So with sandpaper, lets you kind of reveal those areas and sand them down so it's a little bit more uniform. And you can really do a lot of sanding, you can do minimal sanding. That's just really up to you and how smooth you want your character to be. When you're done sanding, just simply brush off the excess dust. Now the next steps will be to prime the figure, or you can just go straight to painting. I like to use a primer. And then if you want your figure of one like this that has the rods in the bottom, will need a base. So you take a wooden base and drill holes into it so the figure can stand in the base. Here's a picture of my prime figure, and then painted.